between Bridgewater and Waterville. Multiple cars stuck on this hill. Not a good situation. Snow rates around 3 to 5 inches an hour. Near zero visibility at times. Route 20, as you enter Bridgewater, there is a solid, several inches of snow right in the medium here. Absolutely no one on the road. Snow is continuing to pick up 4 to 5 inches per hour here within the intense mesoscale band. Absolutely incredible. Back from Waterville, safe and sound. Very, very intense banding right now. Complete whiteout. Very heavy snow. Heaviest snow so far of the storm system. 17 inches on the ground and accumulating very fast. Very impressive. Visibility in terms of yards right now